Welcome to WOWOHCOOL, your premier destination for cutting-edge electronic products. Located in the heart of Shenzhen, the Silicon Valley of electronics, we are a leading manufacturer specializing in a wide range of innovative electronic solutions. At WOWOHCOOL, we pride ourselves on delivering top-quality electronic products that enhance your everyday life. Our diverse product range includes inflators. Our efficient and portable inflators are designed to keep your tires, inflatables, and more in perfect condition. Outdoor energy solutions. From solar panels to power banks, our outdoor energy solutions keep you connected even when you're off the grid. Mobile power, wireless chargers, car chargers. What sets WOWOHCOOL apart is our relentless commitment to innovation. Our dedicated team of experts works tirelessly to stay ahead of the curve, bringing you the latest advancements in electronic technology. Quality is at the core of everything we do. Every WOWOHCOOL product undergoes rigorous quality control measures to ensure reliability, durability, and safety. Our customers are at the heart of our success. Time and again, they have placed their trust in WOWOHCOOL, and our products have never failed to exceed their expectations. Discover the future of electronics with WOWOHCOOL. Whether you need reliable charging solutions, outdoor power, or the latest tech gadgets, we've got you covered. Join us on this incredible journey to redefine the way you experience electronics.